with a good friend, Alex. He just came back from the UK, and we were having a conversation about what's one of the best ways to weld this TIG, and we both came up with agreement that we should freehand. I know a lot of schools teach that walking the cup, and that's all and good, but somewhere in between, you gotta want to learn how to freehand. That means we're gonna be able to literally, instead of walking that cup, consistently feed that wire and move this cup the way where you're able to make that weld position. Alright?
Well, typically this is going to be a water wall situation. You usually have more pipes here, but right now we only have one just for the mock-up. Right now we're going to use 1/8 welding wire, 10-2 wire, and it's a carbon steel pipe. He's going to be looking me out from that side, and I'm going to be looking at him from that side. That way we make sure we have good, clean welds. We're going to be sharing one TIG rig and just tightening it to one another to complete this weld.
What's going on, guys? My name is Alex. I'm here with my good friend Arturo. We're going to be doing a drilling on this 2-inch. Like he said, it's like it's a simulator for the water walls, boilers, like he said, we're going to be using one gun. He's going to be looking at my room, I'm going to be looking at his room. We're going to be using the freehand technique right now. We're just going to go ahead and start going out.
Alright guys, as you can see, Alex is throwing the root down here. You're able to see the rod burn into the puddle consistently, and that's what you want. You want to be able to see that tungsten where that light shows very little because all the heat is being put into the root itself.
Alright guys, as you notice, the first pass I did with my left hand coming this way. This one, I'm going to go with my right side coming this way. So it helps out to practice both hands, just because there's going to be a time in the field where you're going to absolutely need to be able to use both hands. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate right now. Okay guys, make sure you're grinding your tacks, as you see there. That way you get good penetration, good fusion. Alright, let's get after it, guys.
Go ahead and tackle it from this side, bring it to the middle with my left hand, and go ahead and do one string and come back and do the other string. That way it's much faster than doing one string and then coming around and stuff like that. And then on this side, I'm going to do the same thing. I'll do a bottom string and then pick it up with my left, throw a bottom string and then the top string. So it's the easier, faster process to do.
Here you can see Alex running that bottom bead from the bottom bevel all the way to the center. He's using that 1, 2, 1, 2 technique. Right now, when he gets to where he wants to go, he's actually going all the way back, starting from the top bevel and now coming from the top bevel to the center. To alleviate any unnecessary arc marks and to continuously feed that side of that pipe.
Alright, addicts, we're going to go ahead and throw a pass in the middle so we kind of flush out the pipe. And then we're going to go ahead and throw a 3D cap.
here he switched over to his right hand and feeding it with his left. He's going from the center to the bottom bevel to be able to complete that one stringer. And here the arc shot is of the top stringer from the top bevel to the center. Again, we're trying to continuously feed that pipe to fill it in properly.
Alright guys, we come to a finale where we're going to cap this bad puppy. We decided to go with a 3B cap. He said bad puppy, he's laughing. He's never heard of it. Hey Arcadics, I just wanted to shout out to all the welders out there working in this heat. Me and Alex, we've come to a conclusion that we're going to do a 3B cap on this pipe. It's been hectic, but we're getting it done. Stay tuned for the cap.
Need advice, I can help you. Big weave, I'm a stepper. Told my field to take a break. Went Swiss cheese on the bevel. Tryna stun hard for the plumb bob. I got eyeball and no level. I can remix it, I can keep whipping. There's a beat in it, no question. If you want the best, and I'll bless you. Drop an eighth or less is your preference. You prima donnas, be careful. Watch what you say, I'm gon' test you. Turn it high to hand, you ain't got it, Dan. Just be honest, man, there's no pressure. Show you how to bam, get you out of jam. You don't give a damn, God bless you. I'm a big dog on the time sheet. I'm a big dog, don't remind me. That schedule 10, that's a dime piece. P91, that's a 9 piece. I wrap it up and let it bake first. Know you love the smell when that tape burn. If you trying to ball, you gotta play first. It's my time to go and don't take turn. Just got to work, I'm looking for a cooker. The price went higher, slanging wire. Check before you book her. Ain't got no problem with the riggers. I just tell them hooker. They banging shackles.
Alright guys, again we're complete with this video. I want to shout out to all the welders out there in either this extreme heat or these extremely cold temperatures. Either way, you get out there every day and hustle for you and your family. Thank you for doing what you do. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned.
Purge down to a 0.9. Client said they want a 0.5. I'ma weld a bitch anyway, cause I'm the man here, you get the 0.9. Feel a crack until I double back. I'm trying to run it back, I'm on a joint 9. I was bench riding on the floor, silent, not a board, finally run a 0.9.